What's up guys, my name is Mair. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing the best stuffed chicken breast recipe with you guys. So here I have 4 chicken breasts. The first thing we will do, we will make a pocket. So we will take a thick side of the chicken breast and we will cut it right in the middle, and we will cut it halfway, not all the way. So as you guys can see, just go a little bit deeper on the end part, and this is all we need. So here goes the one. So here's the thick part of the breast. We will make a slice. It's like you guys are making a book out of chicken. So you guys open the book just like this. So we will go a little bit deeper, so the stuffing goes all the way in. Our chicken breast is ready. For now we will put it back right on the side and we will work on our filling. So for the filling we will take the baby spinach and we will put it right here and we will chop it. So it's gonna be a rough chop of the baby spinach. The main suggestion is for you guys to use the baby spinach for it. And we will take a little bit more of the spinach and we will chop it. Okay, so as you guys can see, the chopping is ready. We will take a different bowl and we will put the minced, or you can say chopped spinach, right in here, all of it. We'll take 4 cloves of garlic and we will chop the garlic as well, fresh garlic. Add minced garlic right on top of the spinach. Friends, we will add at least 4 spoons of shredded mozzarella cheese. So these are the 2 and here are the 2 more. Add half tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of salt, and half tablespoon of cayenne pepper. If you guys don't want to use cayenne pepper, you can use any regular red chili powder. It will give nice flavor, nice kick to the chicken from the inside. So half spoon of cayenne goes here. So take a spoon and mix this whole ingredients together. So this is guys the filling which will go, remember we made the pockets right here in the chicken breast, so this filling will go inside of our chicken breast pockets. And just in case if you guys want to make the whole chicken and you want to make the filling inside of the chicken, just reduce the cheese amount and use extra spinach in there. So our stuffing is ready. We will take the chicken breast, we will use a spoon and we will fill up the chicken just by putting like this. I mean, you guys can use it like this, but I would suggest put the chicken like this and fill up the stuffing. So that is enough for 1 piece. So this is how it's gonna look. I mean, I can just show you guys, you can add more to it, but the end product will not be the same. So I added 1 extra spoon just to get extra flavor to it, but then if you guys see, it doesn't close all the way by itself. So we will take out half of the spoon from there, and we don't want to overload the chicken breast with a lot of seasoning. So here goes our chicken breast, and for now we will just put it right here on the side. The benefit of using cayenne pepper, it has a strong spicy taste to it. Goes the second one. So if you guys like chicken and the spinach, this is the best recipe to go with. Use the hand, fill up the chicken, and voila, it's done. Here goes the fourth one. In a small bowl, we will add some olive oil, add some garlic powder to it, and add the sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon. If you guys don't have the sriracha sauce, use any sweet spicy sauce, sweet or spicy. Add tiny bit of salt, I would say 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and take this olive oil, the garlic and the sriracha and the salt, and brush the chicken breast just like this right on top. It will definitely add extra texture, extra nice flavor to the chicken breast. I mean, if you guys worried about the bottom part, don't worry about it, because the middle seasoning, the stuffing, will give the whole flavor to the chicken. This is healthy, this will be baked, and I'm using it on a rack. So as you guys saw, I have covered the chicken breast from the top side. The bottom side, we don't need to cover it. And now friends, as you know, this is a quick, easy recipe. So we will bake this chicken for 30 minutes at 375 degrees. So I will see you guys with the same chicken, the stuffed chicken, after 30 minutes. So check it out guys, this is after 30 minutes. Beautifully done. Still sizzling. So here we will set up a plate on the side, dish out plate with some lettuce, spread some baby spinach right next to it. So we will pick up our chicken stuffed right here and put it right on top of our salad. If you guys really want to make sure if it's ready or not, you can just touch it, or you can poke the chicken meat and check it by itself. Normally it's ready, but by some ovens or some baking, they need a little bit extra time of cooking. So just add 10 more minutes to it. How beautiful it looks and juicy. Slice the chicken right from the middle. Check it out, it's perfectly done. Yummy. This is the moment of truth. We will take the middle piece. Looks perfect. Then we take this bottom piece. The cheese, the spinach, the garlic. Wonderfully done. It's super juicy, super tender. This recipe wins. The stuffed chicken is a chicken by itself on a new level. Oh wow, check this bite out, guys. Super delicious, yummy, juicy. You can see the juices just by pressing the chicken down. Alright friends, do try this easy, simple stuffed chicken recipe and you will be amazed just by the taste and the softness and the texture. And I will see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye for now.